Before telephones rang, before messages crossed oceans in seconds, in the forests of southwestern Nigeria, a drum was already speaking. It is called the Gángan, the Yoruba talking drum. Carved from wood, covered in animal skin, laced with leather cords along its sides. At first glance, it looks simple, but in the hands of a master, it becomes a voice. The drummer tucks it beneath his arm and strikes it with a curved stick. As he squeezes the chords, the tension changes, and so does the pitch. Because the Yoruba language is tonal, meaning depends on sound height and rhythm. So when the drum rises and falls, it imitates speech. It can call your name. It can praise a king. It can recite family lineage stretching back generations. In ancient times, one village drummer would play a message. Another, miles away, would hear and answer. Across forests and open land, information traveled, not through wires, but through rhythm. The Gángan speaks at coronations, announcing the authority of a new king. It sings at weddings, blessing love. It mourns at funerals, its tone heavy and slow. It is played by trained drummers, often from families who have guarded this knowledge for centuries, memorizing poetry, history, and praise chants. To the Yoruba people, the drum is not entertainment. It is archive. It is messenger. It is memory carved into sound. And when it calls your praise name in rhythm, you don't just hear it. You recognize yourself. Because in Yoruba land, the drum does not make noise. It speaks.